Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs. And today's project is an RV furnace. It's actually a second opinion on an RV furnace. Another RV tech has already looked at this furnace and he told the customer that there were rats down there in the basement where this was installed and that they had chewed the wires up so badly that the furnace couldn't actually be repaired. He was going to replace the entire furnace, so she wanted to get a second opinion. Because I am a journeyman electrician, she thought that maybe I could fix, the damage to the wiring, and I told her I was going to go ahead and do that, so let's get started. Yeah, so this is one of those furnaces that didn't actually have an outside access, so I removed it and brought it home with me. Got a whole spaghetti mess of ductwork to deal with down here. And the first thing I noticed right away was that the wires actually don't have any damage at all. I can't find any damage. I did see rat poop, down in the crawl space where this thing was installed, so maybe that's where the story came from. But also when I got there, the two thermostat wires were disconnected. The wire nuts were just laying there. I don't know if she knew about that or not, but it seems to me that these guys might have been fibbing. But I mean, she did call for a reason. I'm not sure why she called them in the first place, but I'm going to go ahead and hook 12 volts up to this furnace, and I'm going to hook the propane up here too, and we'll fire it up and see if we can actually find anything wrong with this furnace. I see a problem already. That motor is not spinning very quick, and that sail switch is just kind of flapping in the wind. There we go, I just gave it a push, now it's holding. She lit. I'm going to check voltage. Maybe we're getting some voltage drop over here. I'm not sure why the motor is spinning slowly. It's either a voltage drop or it's just, maybe the bearings are going out. Chances are this thing is going to need a new motor and a new sail switch, just because this sail switch is being abused as we speak. There's going to be arcing, going on inside of there with that flap and the way that it is. Okay, so we've got 12.96 volts going in. Yeah, we're still over 12 volts at the motor. That should be good enough to... Yeah, I think this motor is bad. I'm going to put a new one in here. Let's get started. Now the sun just peeked through the clouds. It got really warm, had to take off my hoodie. She told me that this was installed as a brand new furnace, but it seems to me that there's some screws missing. One here and here, here. What is going on? Jeez, I don't know if they sold it to her like that brand new or what, but I was just about to start taking screws out and I noticed that there aren't very many. Over here we don't have any. I've just got these snaps to deal with. These things always scare me. One time I was prying on one like this and my screwdriver just went right through. Plastic is kind of thin in some areas.
Some of these, flip it over. Oh, there we go.
Sometimes I wish they were just screwed together. I'm always afraid I'm going to break, that's going to break on me. Alright, so pretty much cut it out. Now I just have to take it off of these wheels. I'm just reinstalling the same motor. I got an X on the one on the left, that's the bad one. This one on the right's the one we're about to put in. Now this is shaped like a D, so I got to get my flat spots lined up. And we'll get the Allen wrench back in there. Hope I'm on screen. No. That's okay. There we go. Nice and tight. This is also D-shaped, as you can see, so just got to line that up. And throw the Allen wrench back in there. Dang it. Let's get back on there. Just want to get it just a little bit tighter. I just got a call for another job, so I'm actually all of a sudden in kind of a hurry. Let's get our wires back in there. It's got these little rubber nubs here to, that go on the sides, so just kind of snug it in, hold it in there. There we go. Yeah, I'm just making sure it's not rubbing on anything, making sure everything's spinning freely, and it is. Make sure everything's lined up before I start pushing it together. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's do that and that. Alright, so even though I was punching it, I managed to put it back together without breaking it. No, actually I'm going to put a new switch in here. No point in hooking up to those if I just have to remove it again. I say this switch is still working, but it did take on some abuse. Like I said before, you got to pull this furnace too to even get to that thing, so now's the time to do it. This is the ground wire here coming straight from the motor. All the grounds are tied together down right in that area. All right, now I'm gonna just go ahead and hook the propane back up in the battery and we'll test it, and then we'll just look at the sail switch and see how she's doing. We're having some really nice weather again. Got rain for a few days there. I'll move you guys in closer. Are you even on the sail switch? Let's see. Drop it down. We'll just look at this together. Wow. It sounds like it's spinning faster. Oh, I didn't turn on the gas, propane. It lit. And that sail switch is holding way better. Right now it's like kind of breezy out here, but the wind's not blowing it. Oh my gosh. I think something just got sucked up in there. Got to play the video back to see what got sucked up in there. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.